Morning, all of you. Okay, today we are going to say articles topic. It's very important. Listen carefully. Okay, so here articles are two types, right? Definite article, indefinite article. Definite article, indefinite article. Okay, so here definite article is the article. Okay, definite article is the article. Indefinite articles are a and an. A and an. Here, before going to see rules and regulations of a article, let us see vowels and consonants. Okay, here vowels. The letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Okay, A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Next one, consonants. The remaining 21 letters are called consonants. Okay, take a picture. Okay, so here articles are two types, definite article and indefinite articles, vowels and consonants. Let us see first a article. Okay, first a article. It is used before a word which has a consonant letter and a consonant sound. The word should be a common noun and in singular number only. When we want to take a article before a word, that word must have four qualities. What are the four qualities? Okay, before a word which has consonant letter, that word must be started with consonant letter, and while pronouncing that should be sound consonant sound. Okay, next one, the word should be a common noun. It should be common noun and singular in number. Okay, these four qualities. Okay, that word must have four qualities to use a article. Now let us see. For example, the first one, a bat. Okay, a bat. So if this bat started with consonant letter B, bat. Okay, it pronounces same consonant sound, bat. It is a common noun and it is singular. So that's why a article must be used. So in this way, a bat, a book, a city, a table, a boy, a girl, a chair, a room, a pen, a fan, a pencil. So we have number of examples. Okay, next second rule. Okay, for a, let us see second rule. What is the second rule? It is used before a word which has a vowel letter but consonant sound. Okay, sound is the most important to take articles, not letters. Okay, based on sounds we can use articles. So here consonant sound. Okay, once we can have a look completely. Okay, let us see examples. Okay, first of all, here vowel letter. Word started with vowel letter but consonant sound. A word which started with vowel letter but while pronouncing, okay, it is producing consonant sound. Of course, common noun and singular. Let us see example. Here university. University started with vowel, but while producing university, it produces ya sound. So consonant sound. That's why a article is suitable. Okay, same European. Here it is also ya sound, consonant sound. That's why A article is suitable. Union, here also ya. Unity, here also ya sound. Unity, ya sound. 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, wa. Here consonant sound. Okay, next one uniform. So these are all started with vowel, but while pronouncing these words produced consonant sound. That's why we must take a article before these words. Next one, an. Okay, first rule for an. What's the first rule? It is used before a word which has a vowel letter and a vowel sound. It should be a common noun and a singular. What are the four rules? What are the four rules here? A word which has started with vowel letter and vowel sound. It should be common noun and a singular. For example, here egg. Egg. If we take egg, this word started with vowel letter while pronouncing egg, egg, apple, elephant, and orange, actor, actress. So these are all words started with vowel and the pronouncing with vowel sound also, plus common nouns and singular. So that's why all these words are followed by an article. Okay, vowel letter plus vowel sound, singular and common noun. These are the four qualities to take an article. Okay, let us see second rule about an. Okay, it is used before a word which has consonant letter but vowel sound. Of course, singular and common noun, it's very common. But here word started with consonant letter, but while pronouncing, it produces vowel sound. Okay, vowel sound is the most important thing here. So that's why here it is called our. It's called our. Honest, honorable. So word started with consonant letter, but while pronouncing, it produces vowel sound. So that's why we can use an honest, an honorable. Okay, next one, an MLA. Here MLA, MP. Okay, here MLA, A, MP, A. So here E or A sound is producing. MLA, MP, E sound or A sound. So vowel sound is producing. That's why we must take an. Here also MBBS. Okay, MBBS, E sound. Next one RMP, R sound. So consonant sound. So that's why here we must take an article before these words. Next one, the article. It's called definite article. What's the first rule? Before the names of rivers, seas and oceans. So according to first rule, the article is used before the names of rivers, seas and oceans. For example, the Arabian Sea. So here the sea name is Arabian. Of course, Arabian started with A. So we should not think about an article. If this is a name of a sea, so that's why we must take the article. Next one, the Ganges River. The Ganges River or the Ganga River, both are same. See here, according to English pronunciation, we can use the Ganges. Okay. Next one, the Pacific Ocean. So here Arabian Sea, Ganges River, Pacific ocean. These are all names of seas, names of sea, river and ocean. So that's why we should take the article. Second one, before the names of mountain ranges. Mountain ranges, not single mountain. Okay. What's the first one? Himalayas. It is also mountain, name of a mountain range. So that's why we should take the article. So that's why the Himalayas, the Aravalli, the Western Ghats. These are all mountain ranges. That's why we should take the article. What about Everest? Everest is not a mountain range. It is only single mountain. So that's why at Everest we should not take any kind of article. Okay. Stop. Okay, let us see third one. What is the third rule for the article? Before the holy books. Okay, before the names of holy books. Now let us see holy books titles. The Ramayana, the Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Okay, you take any kind of names of the holy books, we can take the article. Okay. Next one, fourth one. What is the fourth rule? Before the names of public places, public buildings, ships, trains, aeroplanes, newspapers, religions, etc. Okay. So here what is going on? Let us see once again. Before the names of public places, public buildings, ships, trains, aeroplanes, newspapers, religions, etc. Let us see examples. First example is the tank bund. Okay, tank bund is very famous place in Hyderabad. So that's why for famous places can be followed by the article. Okay, here the Taj Mahal, the Charminar. Okay, this kind of places can be followed by the article. Next one, the Hindus, the Muslims, the Eenadu, title of newspapers, names of newspapers, the Eenadu, the Hindu, the Indian Express, the Deccan Chronicle, okay, the Times of India, the Ajanta Express, okay, names of trains, the Shatabdi Express, okay, next one, the Titanic ship name, okay, next, fifth point. What is the fifth point? Fifth rule, before an adjective in comparative degree. Okay, before an adjective in comparative degree. Let us see the first one. The more you study, the more marks you get. What is the first one? The more you study, the more marks you get. Nothing but if you study well, you will get more marks. Okay, getting more marks depends on your hard work. But here, the more, the article, first one, second one, the more. Okay, here the article. Next one, the higher you go, the better the view. If you go to 9th floor or 10th floor, we see in a better manner. So that's why the higher you go, the better view. Next, sixth rule. What is the sixth rule? Before an adjective in superlative degree. Commonly when we use superlative degree, more than 2. When we have more than 2, we can use superlative degree. Okay, commonly we can add est to the adverb. For example, clever, cleverest, tall, tallest. Okay, tall, taller, tallest. Tallest is superlative degree. Okay, short, shorter, shortest. Shortest is the superlative degree. Okay, here let us see. She is the best singer. Okay, best, superlative degree. Good, better, best. Good, better, best. So here best, superlative degree. That's why before this adjective we can use the article. Next one, he is the highest person. He is the highest person. He is the tallest person. He is the shortest person. So we can use the article before superlative adjectives. She is the most beautiful heroine. She is the most beautiful heroine. So here, most beautiful, most handsome, most intelligent, most expensive. These are all examples of superlative. That's why before these adjectives we can add the article. Okay. Okay, here let us see seventh point for the article. Okay, before the matter which is already known. Okay, before the matter which is already known or referred. So after discussing for a while on anybody or anything, when we want to say about that, we can use simply the article before that matter. Okay, let us see. You give the pen. Okay, you give the pen. Which pen? Previously you might have discussed on that pen. So that's why then only we can use you give the pen. You watch the movie. For example, when we discussed on Bahubali for a 5 to 10 minutes, then I can say you watch the movie. Which movie? Already what we discussed on. Okay, you take the pen, you do the work, you send the papers. So in this way we use the article already known matters. Next, eighth point is before proper noun to make it into a common noun. See, commonly proper noun is not followed by any article. Okay, proper noun is not followed by any article, but here when we want to use as a common noun we can use the article. For example, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. So here Shakespeare is a proper noun, but here it is used as a common noun. So that's why we can use the article. Bombay is the Manchester of India. So here Manchester is a common noun here. It is used as a common noun. So that's why the article is used. Before the names of famous families and dynasties. Okay, before the names of famous families and dynasties. For example, the Shatavahanas, the Kakatiyas, the Cholas, the Mughals. Okay, these are all famous dynasties. Okay, then let's see famous families. The Tatas, the Birlas, the Ambanis. Okay, the Kapoors, the Bachchans. These are all famous families. When we want to say that kind of families and dynasties, we can use the article. Okay, next one, before famous abbreviations. Okay, here the WHO, World Health Organization, here abbreviation. So that's why the article. The UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization, here shortcut UNESCO. Next one, the UNICEF. Okay, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Next one, the UK, the USA, the International Labour Organization. So here abbreviations. Before abbreviations, we can use the article. Okay. When a singular noun represents a whole class. Okay. When a singular noun represents a whole class. When we want to show complete class by using only one singular. Okay. For example, mango. Mango is considered the king among fruits. So here by using only singular, but it represents complete class of fruits. So that's why here the mango. The mango is considered the king among fruits. Next one, the ass is used as a beast of burden. So here that kind of burdenful works can be done by only ass. So that's why we can use the ass. Next one, note. The nouns man and woman do not take the article before them. Okay, the nouns man and woman do not take the article before them. For example, man is the greatest of God's creation. Okay, what's the special rule here? Okay, when a singular noun represents a whole class, but your special class, when you want to say about man and woman, okay, we should not follow this rule, need not to take the article. Okay, next one, before musical instruments. Okay, when we use musical instrument, before before the musical instrument, we must take the article. Okay, for example, flute, we must take the article. The flute, the violin, the tabla, the trumpet. Okay, flute, the violin, the tabla, the trumpet. So in this way you take any kind of musical instrument, it can be followed by the article. Next one, before the inventions, okay, related to science invention. I hate the telephone for its constant ringing. Okay, here one item is ringing constantly, but it is related to scientific invention. So telephone, before telephone we can take the article. Next one, the television is a gift of science. So here when you want to say gift of science, here using television, it is also scientific invention. That's why we can take the article. Next one, parts of body. Okay, here parts of body. He was wounded in the leg. Here leg, parts of one of the parts of body, leg. That's why before leg the must be used. They hit him on the hands. They hit him on the hands. Here hands indicate parts of body, so that's why the article must be used. Stop. See here 15th condition for the article. Okay, names of enforcing law. Okay, related to law, names of enforcing law. The police. Okay, here it indicates plural form. If only one person, we can use a policeman. Okay, plural, the police. Okay, the police, the navy, the air force. So these are all enforcing law. Next one, political parties. Before the names of political parties, we should take the article. For example, the Congress Party. Okay, the Congress Party, the Janata Party, the Bharatiya Janata Party. Okay, next one, the Telangana Rashtra Samiti, Telangana Rashtra Samiti, the article. Okay, so in this way, before the names of parties, we should use the article. Next one, before the names of an empire, dynasty, or historical events. So before the names of historical events and empires, we should take the article. Okay, the First World War, the First World War, the Second World War, the American Revolution, the French Revolution, the Old Stone Age, the Gupta dynasty. So in this way even we can add the Gupta dynasty, the Cholas dynasty, okay, the Shatavahanas, the Rashtrakutas, okay, the Pandyas. Okay, these are all names of dynasties. Okay, let's see once again. The First World War, the American Revolution, the Old Stone Age, the Gupta dynasty. Next one, before clubs and foundations. Okay, clubs, before the clubs. Okay, for example, the Lions Club, the Ford Foundation. So in this way, clubs and foundations names are followed by the article. Next one, unique things. What are the unique things? We can't see changes. Okay, we can't see changes in them. First of all, the sun. Sun always is followed by the article. Why? Because it is a unique thing. In this way, the sun, the moon, the earth, the world, the stars, etc. Okay, these are all unique things. These are all unique things. That's why they are followed by the article. Next one, with ordinals. With ordinals. What are the ordinals? For example, first, second, third, fourth. These are all called ordinals. Now let's see. He got the first prize. Here, before first, we should take the article. Next one. He lives in the third block. Here, third. Before third, the article must be used. Okay, now let us see omission of articles. Okay, omission of articles means previously we have discussed where should we use articles, but now where should not be used articles. Okay, see here, article should not be used before proper nouns. Article should not be used before proper noun. Okay, what is the proper noun? Name of a person, place or thing. See here, India. It's the name of a country. Gandhiji, name of a person. Mr. Raghuveer, name of a person. Nizamabad, name of a place. So here, before proper nouns, we should not take any kind of article. Second one, before material nouns also, article should not be used. Article should not be used before material nouns. What are the material nouns? Iron, cotton, rice, oil, okay, wood, steel, okay, silver, bronze, gold. These are all material nouns. So that's why before these material nouns, we should not use any kind of article. So iron, no article. Cotton, no article. Here, rice, no article. Next one, before abstract noun. Okay, article should not be used before abstract noun. First of all, what is abstract noun? Okay, that is nothing but a quality that can't be seen or touched. Okay, see here, for example, happiness. Happiness related to our mind. Experience related to our mind. Honesty related to our mind. Liberty related to our mind. Okay, innocence related to our mind. Faith related to our mind. Courage related to our mind. These are all abstract nouns. So that's why article should not be used before abstract nouns. For example, here, happiness, experience, honesty, liberty. Okay, before this, no article should be used. Next one, names of games, meals, diseases. Okay, article should not be used before names of games, meals and diseases. Okay, for example, here, cricket. Okay, it is also one of the names of games. See here, cricket or football or badminton or kabaddi, and here breakfast. Next one, malaria, pneumonia. Okay, so this kind of words, diseases, meals and games, we should not use any article. Next one, names of branches of knowledge. Article should not be used names of branches of knowledge. For example, here simply we can take as subject titles. Okay, English. We can't use the English or an English or a English. Simply English. Or chemistry, mathematics, Telugu, commerce, computer science. Okay, civics, political science, economics. These are all branches of knowledge. So need not to take any kind of article. Okay, prepare very well. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.